All right, guys, these are the stainless steel 7 by 3 inch wood deck screws. And these are required because the company that makes this product, Orac Decor, requires stainless steel screws. Say that 50 times fast. And then they have their own special goo. This is the DecoFix Power, which is what you use to adhere the molding. I'll turn it sideways. The molding to the wall. And they want a continuous bead on all the surfaces. Then it's supposed to be scraped off. And then on the edges, they use a special glue, which is a polymer, which is being applied. Oh, that's the different one. Yeah, here we have the one that's for the edges, which is being applied here. My God, you're never going to make it as a cake maker. No, but I imagine it'd be still a delicious cake. So this DecoFix Extra is used to join the edges, and that requires being scraped at 1 hour and then acetone at 2. So it looks pretty good. Boy, they're making progress. Lordy. And then you can see the laser that's being used to keep it all nice and level and even. Yeah, I'm happy. I hope the people on the other end of this video are happy. Yeah. And of course, according to Orac Decor, for the LED light moldings, you're required to use a stainless steel screw to hold it up. For their other product, you don't use any screws because those are just moldings that fit into these corners. But that's not the case with this. It requires stainless steel screws. I don't know why stainless steel, but they say it's a warranty issue. Not that I can imagine have any issue with the warranties. So as previously mentioned, the LED light strips will be up in that little fold up there, that little cavity, and then they'll shine up. They'll be variable in their intensity, their Kelvin as well. And there'll be 3 areas: living room, kitchen, hallway. And these guys are just machines. Look at them go. Amazing. So, you ask for quality work, you get quality work. Looking good. It's already been pre-wired for all of the electrical. See how that goes. Wonder what those big holes are for there. I don't know. What could you? Louise? So it's going all the way along there. And then they've had to trim it in order to get it to look uniform over the mini splits. And just another quick look. Oh, Nathan's doing the tornado room. That's looking good. Oh, this is, I should have said February 4th, Thursday. This is just a few hours after we watched this being installed, which looks gorgeous. It almost looks like a transformer should come out of that. What do you say? Am I right or am I right? Sure. It's gonna come alive. My God, I didn't realize how big that sucker was. And we're getting the April Air, which is made in Madison. whole house dehumidifier, which is going up on that wall. And that must be this unit. Yep. Yep, that's what it is, April Air. It's a product out of Madison, Wisconsin. It's gonna make us Arizona dry. So warm weather is not an issue here in Wisconsin. We don't have to run the AC. Although I was told that these have a dehumidifying mode. We'll see how it works out. So I'm off to the wonderful world of container something store. To order some shelving units. Yeah. So everybody take care. Bye.